देश में तालाबंद जारी रही बेले अनेक कटकणा किसी कटकणार कोहल आर्थिक पैकेज घोषणा यार भितर कांग्रेस नेता राहुल गांधी किसी सांबादिकों प्रश्नर उत्तर रखुंट सीधा सड़क चित्र देखो
sort of go into details about what could have been done, how it could have been done, who should have done it. I'm not interested. I am interested in right now. I am interested in what India is facing right now. And what we are facing right now is a failed lockdown, because the goal of the lockdown, as stated by the Prime Minister on national television, was that we will defeat the disease in 21 days. These are not my words, these are the words of the Prime Minister. Now, it is one lockdown, two lockdown, three lockdown, we're coming to the end of the fourth lockdown, and the disease profile is not reducing. So I'm just stating a simple fact that what we expected from the lockdown has not occurred. Disease profile is shooting up. In number of states, it is shooting up. What is the government thinking of doing going forward? The Congress party is in power in 3 or 4 states. We know what we are planning. We are very clear what has to be done in our states. We are giving money to poor people. We are giving food to poor people. We are managing the migrants. We are increasing our testing. We have a strategy. But states cannot function in a strategy without the national government. States are hamstrung if the national government is not behind states. So I have spoken to our chief ministers who have asked me to mention this. They have said that they are fighting a lonely battle and they are confident. They understand what has to be done. But what is the central government planning to do? That's the main question here. And that's again, we of course have a view. We put that view down. We said that injection of money is required. Aggressive movement on that front is required, but we were disappointed. But once again, I want to state, I do not want to get into the past that this is what the government did wrong, that's what they did wrong. No, I am interested in how we're going to deal with this problem going forward.
Thank you, sir. We'll move to the next question. Swati Mathur from Times of India wants to ask the next question. Swati, please come in.
Hi, sir. This is Swati. I hope you can hear me.
Yes, we can hear you.
Hi, good afternoon. So I wanted to ask you that, India has been facing a high level of unemployment even before the coronavirus pandemic began. So since this is a concern which has obviously deepened over the period of over this time, and because India is a country that is, in terms of its average age, it's a young country, do you think that India has made a mistake in terms of prioritizing health over the economic crisis that has affected a much larger number of people?
You mean in the long term, or you mean right now during the lockdown?
Yes, particularly right now, but also
right now.
In the country.
I don't think that's a binary question. I don't think it is either health or economics. I think we are smart enough, intelligent enough to work a path through that will create a successful compromise between health and economics. So I don't see this as a on-off switch where you either solve the health problem or you solve the economics problem. I think there is a lot of nuance to that. However, India has been facing a very serious unemployment problem, and this is not new. This has been going on. You've heard of Make in India, you've heard of some of those initiatives, and they have not given the result that one expected for whatever reason. However, now there is a new element to this unemployment, which is that we were already struggling, and now suddenly we've hit this corona problem, which has multiplied this unemployment problem. As you can see, businesses were shut down. And I'm sorry to say this as a national leader, but many small and medium businesses are going to go bankrupt. The people who work for those businesses are going to become unemployed. And that is why we are raising again and again and again that a injection of capital and injection of money to small and medium businesses is required. It will be fatal if we do not do it. An injection of money to the poorest 50% of India is required. It will be fatal if we do not do it. So, yes, there is an unemployment problem, but that unemployment problem has now been compounded massively by the current crisis. And no, I do not think it is a choice between healthcare and economics. I think we are intelligent enough to work out a solution that looks after both.
Thank you, sir. Next question is from Sanjay Mishra ji from Dainik Jagran. Sanjay ji, you can come in, please.
Just one
Yeah.
point. Just one
Yeah.
point. If I'm being asked the question in Hindi, I'll answer in Hindi. If it's a question in English, I'll answer in question in
जी
English.
सर, which is fine, sir. हाँ,
Yeah.
संजय जी पूछिए.
जी राहुल जी नमस्कार, मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
हाँ, आवाज आ रही है मगर चेहरा नहीं. हाँ, आ गए.
जी राहुल जी, एक और बड़ा सीरियस चैलेंज जो है वो देश फेस कर रहा है. भारत एक तरफ कोविड-19 से लड़ रहा है और दूसरी तरफ सीमा पर भी देखें तो बहुत तनाव की स्थिति है. लद्दाख में चीन के साथ बहुत तनावपूर्ण स्थिति चल रही है और एक रिपोर्ट कहती है कि 10,000 से ज्यादा सैनिक जो है वो भारतीय भूभाग पे आके डटे हुए हैं. दूसरी तरफ अगर आप देखें तो नेपाल के साथ भी हमारा सीमा विवाद एक नया जो है वो विवाद शुरू हो गया है. तो बाहरी सीमा के मोर्चे पे भी भारत एक बड़े सीरियस चैलेंज का सामना कर रहा है. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि सरकार की रणनीति यहाँ पे कहीं ना कहीं एक तरह से सवालों के कटघरे में है?
देखिए, जो बॉर्डर इशू है, इसके डिटेल्स क्या हुआ है, किस प्रकार हुआ है, क्या किया गया है, इसके डिटेल्स सरकार को ट्रांसपेरेंटली देश को बताने चाहिए, क्योंकि क्लैरिटी फ्रैंकली किसी को नहीं है. नेपाल में क्या हुआ, किस प्रकार हुआ, क्यों हुआ, लद्दाख में क्या हो रहा है, किस प्रकार हो रहा है, ट्रांसपेरेंसी होनी चाहिए. क्लियरली उनको सरकार को बताना चाहिए. वो ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं दिख रही है मुझे. जो चाइना और हिंदुस्तान की बात है, अभी वो लाइव इशू है, तो उसके बारे में मैं प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में ज्यादा नहीं बोलना चाहता हूं. वो मैं सरकार के विजडम पे छोड़ना चाहता हूं. मगर ट्रांसपेरेंसी की जरूरत है. हमें मालूम होना चाहिए क्या हो रहा है, और वो देश को नहीं मालूम.